Ni.
Apa Friday? Tambah kam duit lah singkang am tas ni.
Kuble yipi manga Melvin Mukim naka film Haling Kabneng na komen ban pentip shapi ba nginwan rab yang sa shisi ni ka film ha ususo tham auditorium na ruga kapra tarik adu lifeway tarik ubnai jamang ki por kilong khanar baje mensngi ar baje mensngi san baje janmiet bat hanyo baje demiet turmen manya kendu biang yipi sa shisin
ki khubor kapati CTV ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but shispa percent ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Gaji kan song tu jingmon haprengi karbi bagi panar ringkat gaji dan lang ki Bosen Shar ka West Jaintia Hills but ka West Karbi Anglong kabalong hakat pratrik jembang aja penriu kelapoi syakajingi simrai hakabaki nomi khmat nakasnong lapangam kilakular bansya karbi kibasa kasnong tapat panrap akijaka badan kajing yakaja tang bakimbet satya bantung yakitan raidiang hakajingkran bakilap thai khubor Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaintia Hills wa Abhinav Kumar Singh ulai thu bahakajing karen kinongilam jongi karbi kilakular bikin ampentut satya nang ni syahmat ladagi khasipanar hiar chikiling harap Uloong makajing pa iki pulit sa lapangam kalong man penne yak song suk song san pat bakan ommi kanu kajing huriura kabala mangkata ya kajing im jong kipat ba
We had inter-village meeting basically to promote coordination and peace and tranquility in the temporary police camp that has been established along the border side. It was a very cordial meeting. There were 4 representatives from our side, from the village of Lapangap, as well as 4 representatives from the Tapat side. We explicitly ensured that there should be nobody who is not a bona fide resident of the concerned villages, and that was adhered. The meeting went on cordial. Both the sides discussed their issues, particularly which was pertaining to cultivation. And after some time, there were other issues also raised from the other side. But the main point is the point of contention that our side had a bigger heart, and they said that yes, if you want to continue the cultivation in the areas which are of differences, we do not have any problem. That is, the Tapat side people can come and do the cultivation, provided they cannot do any plantation related activity. Any agricultural activity which is like maybe horticulture or anything, they are okay with that, because such kind of resolution has already been passed by the village darbar. So now we have apprised our higher ups, including Honorable CM Sir and Deputy CM Sir, for the latest development, because the final thing, it has not been conclusive, though Tapat side has assured that our farmers can go towards the areas or they access their fields and do the cultivation from their end, and from Tapat side there will be no problem for any obstruction or any problem. Currently, we have just briefed them up about the development. Later on, once they will communicate with their counterparts and give us the instruction accordingly. See, we have heavy deployment of police forces, even on the field area also. We have SFTN along with multiple police people on the ground. And the same has been communicated to district administration as well as the policing on the other side. We are taking care of all the steps to make sure that this does not escalate further. And we have asked our farmers to come back today, and then we will present it accordingly today. Currently, see, in our state of Meghalaya, particularly talking about the West Jaintia Hills, there's effective and efficient coordination between all the departments, as well as there's a huge synchronization between what the orders or directions are given from the topmost to be implemented on the ground. From our side, we'll try to explore all the possible options to ensure that the livelihoods of the people living in the village are not affected. Yes, all the departments are doing the needful. See, from the administration side and the police side, they have asked us to, we have jointly requested also that yes, the farmers who are accessing the field should not be hindered. At least the protection from their side should be there. But from our side also, we already have a heavy deployment for ensuring that no casualties or any such incidents get reported. See, this is from our side, we are ensuring that at least the access, the peace is maintained. Rest, we are waiting for the final things from our higher-ups. Once the coordination is communicated to the other side, then yes, the way it has been since ages, how the paddy fields have been accessed or how they have been living with harmony, I'm pretty sure that yes, the same would be restored back. We have been committed and we have getting active support from our village sides, especially the headmen of the village along with the executive committee. And yes, whatever directions are passed by administration or by police under the jurisdiction of SP sir, it has been really well coordinated, and I believe even in future and there won't be much problems, though we are trying our level best to make sure that the access is being given and they are able to maintain their livelihoods.
See, as DC sir has already briefed, the meeting was held in very cordial manner. We understand the bottlenecks which are there in place. They are there from long time, and we are trying our level best to sort it out. I would also like to inform that during the meeting itself, I was constantly in touch with our Honorable CM sir. I was briefing him what is going on, and I'm sure he would be in constant touch with his counterparts. We will be submitting detailed report from both DC office and SP office, and hopefully we will see that peace and tranquility recovers and comes back to this particular village forever. That is our hope, prayer and endeavor, alongside the political establishment spearheaded by our CM sir, the administrative establishment spearheaded by Chief Secretary and DGP, and our district administration.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.